In a world dominated by beautiful spaces, scenery and settings, a world in which every smartphone claims to be the one, but it's ultimately marrying the beauty, the art of light and optics that developed the true ultimate camera. Welcome to a very special unboxing, combining the computational brilliance of processing with the legendary heritage that is Zeiss optics. Welcome to the unboxing of this, the Vivo X300 Pro. Today you join me in a very special location with not one, not two, but three unboxings, all for one device. Perhaps this is a new frontier in mobile optics. Join me now as we break open the packaging, get to grips with the new Vivo X300 Pro, and then enjoy a photographic journey. First things first, let's break open this, the one I'm most excited about. It's the device itself, it's the X300 Pro, all beautifully packaged here. And they say when you start a journey and even the packaging screams quality, well, then you're in for a real treat. And believe me, this does. It's all fully sealed here, it's wrapped up. But I'm going to break open the plastic now. I'm very excited to get the X300 Pro unwrapped. It's a great sound, that getting the plastic out of the way and taken off. I'll put it aside for just a second. We're going to first start with a very quick glimpse at the device itself, the X300 Pro. On top, of course, as always, you're greeted with the device. We'll tip it forward there. You can see what you're getting, and I'll give you a quick little tour of what's inside. There's a couple of other packages. You get two compartments in here. Now, despite having that accessory, the Pgytech accessory case, which is brilliant, it actually comes with a molded style case straight in the box. Also matches the device color, looks beautiful, really works with the phone. Great to see it included. You get an additional package here. This, of course, will be the likes of your USB Type A to Type C sync charge cable. And if we put that aside, the top, which is also great to see included, unlike many smartphone manufacturers, they include a wall power adapter, and it's Vivo's flash charge, 90 watts of output, a powerful solid one at that. So you're going to get it from 0 to 80% in near no time. It's the full experience. I'm really excited now to set this phone up and jump into some of the mobile photography. We've got the Pgytech imaging kit and case. Now, for those who know, they are masters in the space. They're doing some incredible things, and I love the way this is also packaged. Almost the same brilliant experience of unboxing the smartphone is unboxing this very special case, which you can get for the device. Let's open the plastic here. We're going to see what this looks like as well quickly. And then, of course, we've got the telephoto lens. Because as I mentioned, the X300 Pro is much more than just another smartphone. This is a whole new vision, a whole new journey into optics. It's ultimately merging the best of a DSLR with the best and brilliance in computational power of a powerful smartphone. So we've got the plastics here out of the way, put them down in my compartment below. Let's get the case out of its packaging, and you are greeted with a very special experience. Looks beautiful, looks unbelievable. In fact, you can just feel how premium this whole thing is going to be. You've got instructional cards, booklets here, the case itself, which is stunning to the touch. It's really very beautiful. It's even got a little kickstand, and you've got your actual lock-on optical camera style ring here. Beautiful packaging. Inside here you've got also the rest of the accessories, the Pgytech base plate, which attaches to the phone. It also doubles as a power bank, and it all matches up with the packaging. Looks fantastic. What we're also getting in here is a proper style lanyard strap. If we unbox this, you'll see this is a proper camera, so you carry it around like you would expect. You've got this brilliant looking braid rope lanyard strap to attach. What a thing to experience and unbox. And then, of course, we can jump onto this star of the show. This is the telephoto lens. I told you this is going to be a very special experience, and in this gorgeous setting, it really is. Another extremely premium experience. It's the Zeiss Optics 2.35 times telephoto extender kit, and wow, this really feels incredible. It's like unboxing three separate devices here. This here is the case, the Pgytech case, as we saw, because you could obviously have just the case, or you get this extra layer here, an extra level. This has your optical ring And if we put this aside, we'll do this carefully, because in here we've got a proper heavy quality Vivo mobile branded Zeiss optical lens. This is taking photography to new heights. It's new frontiers. We've done the quick unboxing, but let's get on to the exciting bits. Let's get onto a journey in photography with the new pioneer, the Vivo X300 Pro.